fries +2x, and I just came up with a new idea tonight. I was feeling a little bit lazy and I did not want to put all this in different containers because I was like, look, I want to save my containers. So I just put it all in one container. I had fried some sweet potato fries, and then I had boiled some sweet potatoes and then mashed them up and then add some agave to it to make some sweet mashed potatoes. And then I got the idea to actually take one of these sweet potato fries and dip it in this nice sweet agave mashed sweet potatoes right here. And it was delicious. And I don't see why it wouldn't be, because they're practically the same thing. But with a different texture. And this is different because this is sweeter. And this is more like a, not that sweet, but it's a good combination. Well, it's good. You should try it out. Let's try it. Me and my experimental taste buds here. Let's be doing the thing. Alright, peace.